In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change your Webull margin account to a cash account. If you've been thinking about switching your account type on Webull, maybe to manage risk or to keep your investments more straightforward, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get started on making that switch effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to open the Webull app on your device and sign in to your account. If you don't have the app installed yet, make sure to download it from your app store and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the Webull logo to bring up the main menu. This icon is usually located at the bottom of your screen, so it's easy to find. Now, with the main menu open, you'll want to head over to the bottom menu and select the menu option. This will give you a broader view of the app's features and settings. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and give that a tap. Settings is your go-to place for making changes to your account and personalizing your Webull experience. Once you're in Settings, look for the Account Management option. This section is crucial because it handles everything related to your account type and features. Tap on it and then scroll down until you see your current margin account option. This is where you can make the switch. Select the margin account option and you should see an option to switch or apply for a different account type. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Webull may ask you to verify some personal information, so make sure you have any necessary details on hand, like your ID or other identification methods. After you've gone through the instructions and verified your information, your account type will be updated. It may take a little time for the changes to fully process, so be patient if you don't see an immediate update. And there you have it. That's how you change your Webull margin account to a cash account. It's a simple process once you know where to look and what to do. By following these steps, you can manage your investments in a way that suits your financial strategy best. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.